Hey everyone, this is Adrienne with Sleep Sherpa, and today we are going to look at the Euro mattress made by Natural Form. The Euro mattress is their most luxurious mattress in all of their line. What I love about this mattress is so many things, but to start, there are up to 80 pressure-free air zones and a wool top, which is designed to increase pressure relief. Natural Form is a USA-based company based out of Vermont. So with this item, it's a standard delivery. You go ahead and pick the time and it will be delivered to your door full size. There's also white glove delivery available for an extra charge where they will bring it in, bring it upstairs or downstairs, wherever it needs to go. They will set it up till it is complete, until you are happy. It does have a 10-year warranty, free shipping, so they understand that buying a mattress, especially a luxury mattress, is a big commitment. So what they're offering here is a 100-day sleep trial. Go ahead and sleep on this mattress for 100 nights. Hopefully it'll be as comfortable as Coco is there. And if you don't love it, you can go ahead and send it back, because it's a hassle-free return policy, which is great because they will come pick it up, they will donate it to a local charity, which that itself is pretty cool, and give you a full refund. So it's kind of a win-win situation, no hassle. You have either your money back or a great mattress, and if you decide it's not for you, it goes to a great cause, which is really cool, because we all know how important our sleep is to our health. And they have taken that to the next level with the construction of this mattress. So let's jump right into this. It's an 11-inch mattress. It does weigh about 142 pounds, so do know that you will need help. If you're like me and you attempt to do things on your own, this mattress is not for that. You're definitely going to need 2 strong sets of hands. It is on the heavier side when it comes to mattresses. Starting with the cover, you're going to get a nice, soft, natural merino wool topper. What is really cool about this topper is the fact that it's removable and washable. It makes it great for easy upkeep. I really like to dive in and learn the nitty-gritty of different things, so I'm very fact-forward. I'm going to share some facts with you about wool. Wool is one of the most luxurious materials you can use to make a mattress, to soften it and to provide pressure point relief. Wool is also great for people who are looking for something hypoallergenic or who may have chemical sensitivities. Some of the chemicals that are used in bedding are just not great for you, not great for the environment. And I love that they've gone out of their way to make sure that this is an eco-friendly, natural mattress. Wool is also one of the safest and healthiest choices for bedding. It's extremely breathable. Wool is a renewable, sustainable, and biodegradable fiber. I love the wool feature because of the fact that wool wickens away moisture to help you stay cool when the weather is hot and to stay warm when the weather is cold. It's a natural insulant, like a thermos for your body, with true temperature balance. In the next layer, we're going to be talking about the 4-inch foam. They added an extra inch of foam there to really help give you that extra support, especially for people that have back pain, things like that. It's really going to help relieve a little bit of that pressure more than usual. The 4-inch foam is CertaPure certified. It's a high resiliency foam, which is awesome for the ultimate support, especially when it comes to the back, shoulders, waist, hips, lower back. That extra inch added really does bring a lot of extra comfort. The next layer is where you're going to find their Helix AirPods, which depending on which size you get, there's up to 80 different AirPods, which really are great technology for spinal alignment. What these AirPods do, they're self-adjusting to you. The firmness controls on each side of the bed allow you to control that. With the dials being separately, especially for couples, this is a great choice because of the fact you can really choose to sleep with whatever comfort level, firmness level that makes you happy without having to compromise. They can adjust from firm to soft or anywhere in between. I've personally been playing with it and tried it both sides on different adjustments and have gone back and forth, sleeping on each side to see what I prefer. On this mattress, I prefer the soft because It really gets to more a medium soft, not quite super soft, which is really good for me because I'm mainly a side sleeper. I am a combination sleeper at times. I will go from my back to my stomach to my side, but mainly a side sleeper, and the soft really helps me to have the best night's sleep. Let's take a look at those dials. They're really simple to use. Okay, you're gonna find one of these on each side. These dials from soft to firm, and the pods will have less resistance or more resistance according to whichever settings you choose, which gives you the flexibility to choose your comfort level. The fact that this bed has each side being independently adjustable really allows for couples to stay comfortable and well rested. There's no electricity, plugs, or cords that are needed. It is all controlled naturally with air. Fun fact about this foam is it's a contouring foam, which is a luxe hybrid foam, making it soothing yet durable. This hybrid foam is temperature regulated, which means, unlike most memory foams, it won't change shape as it gets cooler or hotter. Okay, let's test out the motion transfer. Miss Coco's over here relaxing. Let's see if me bouncing around over here is going to disturb her. Okay, let's take a look at this mattress and the inside. So this first layer here is the wool. Top quality, really, really soft. Adds a great comfort level. Great layer of support. This is the foam here, which, wow. Yeah, again, top quality. But what they did here was add an extra inch of foam, so it's not your common 3 inches, but 4. That extra inch is really going to help with the support, especially for anyone who has back pain. This will be a great addition for you. One more layer here. Now under here is where you're going to find the air pods, the self-adjusting air pods, which really make this mattress what it is. And so the construction of this, like I said, top quality. There's some more foam on top here, another layer of foam here. This top layer here comes off, super simple, zips off all the way around, which really allows for easy cleaning. The price point on this mattress is a little bit higher than most of the mattresses that we review, and that is because there are so many unique features to this. With this queen mattress starting at around $3,500, and the king that you see here at $39.95, at that price point, they understand that it's a big and important decision, and they make sure that you can feel confident and comfortable in your decision with the 100-day sleep trial, the 10-year warranty, the refunds, no hassle, all of the different features there. I'm gonna jump right in. The feel and comfort of this bed is next level, and it's worth the investment. The quality is top tier. I love the firmness that this mattress has, and at the same time, I'm super excited about the softness that it can achieve when adjusted. You may be someone who's a side sleeper and likes to sleep on a softer mattress, and your other half may be someone who is a back or a stomach sleeper and likes to sleep on a medium to firm mattress. This allows you to both achieve the comfort level desired. For me, I'm mainly a side sleeper, so I really do enjoy a softer mattress. When I've adjusted this mattress to soft, it really feels like the mattress is cradling me, which has been allowing me to get a great night's sleep. My shoulders on a firm mattress on my side don't always cooperate. My back is feeling supported. The way this company has nailed firm and soft within one mattress is impressive. I may mention again though, the soft is not what I would call on the softer side of mattresses. It's more a medium soft. If you're looking for something super soft, this mattress may or may not be for you. And so who is this mattress for? Is this mattress for you is probably what you're thinking. Here are some of the things which will help you decide if this is for you or not. If you're someone who is sensitive to partner disturbance, looking for a mattress that has low motion transfer, this is great because there are no springs, so that really does aid in that. And I know for myself, I am an extremely light sleeper, so motion transfer is very important to me. And also comfort. Like, I do care what my other half's comfort level is. And so in this, we don't have to compromise. We can both have what we need. If you are a hot or cold sleeper, the wool really makes it so you're not going to be waking up sweaty or waking up cold. It's a temperature adjusting mattress, really. This mattress is CertaPure and GreenGuard certified, which is great for eco-conscious shoppers. If you're looking to have that combination sleep, this mattress may also be for you. The fact that it gives you the option from soft to firm really allows this mattress to be for almost anyone. If you're someone looking for that super, super soft, maybe this isn't for you, but the fact that you can control your settings really allows this to be for a wide range of people. And the firm does achieve a super firm quality, which is really hard for a company to achieve both soft and firm. The whole mattress is super soft to the touch, the wool's incredible, but really when it comes down to the quality of this mattress, they spared no expense. And to wrap up this mattress today, a few final notes, really. I would just say that this mattress, like I've mentioned, they spared no expense, top quality, great craftsmanship. They really did put a lot of thought process into making this eco-friendly, natural, something that's extremely supportive, pressure relief, all the different bullet points there that just really make this mattress worth the price point. For more information on this mattress, you can head over to sleepshepherd.com and check out the full reviews on this mattress. And have a great day. I hope you find exactly what you're looking for in a mattress.